Hello student. Today I am going to explain question number 22. 22 and the program is write a program to input weight of a parcel and calculate courier charge. Calculate courier charge as per the given table using nested if structure. Student, this type of question we have solved in standard 8 also, but using if else if structure. But this time the same question we will solve using nested if structure. Okay, so this is your program. This is your program. Now what happened? There is two changes. First changes is the process of input. The input is with the help of scanner object, and second, the program is solved using nested if structure. Nested if structure means if within if within if. Okay, so I am explaining this. So, suppose weight of parcel is 2 kg. Suppose weight of parcel is 2 kg. So first of all we will import Java statement, java.util.scanner class method to calculate courier charge, void display. Then we will create a scanner object. Then we will enter weight of parcel in w equal to ser.nextInt. W will store the weight of a parcel, and according to the weight, the charges are as following: up to 3 kg rupees 300 only. Up to 3 kg rupees 300. If your weight of your parcel is 1 kg, you have to pay 300. If weight of your parcel is 2 kg, then you have to pay 300. If your weight of your parcel is 3 kg, you have to pay rupees 300 only. Means up to 3 kg you have to pay rupees 300. Therefore, suppose our weight of our parcel is 2 kg. So we have to pay rupees 300. Let's check this program will calculate 300 or not. W equal to 2 kg. Okay. So come here. In if W greater than 3, this condition is true or false. For the value 2, W, that is 2 greater than 3. This is false. If the condition is false, the control will directly transfer to its else statement here. Directly comes to its else part here, and charge will calculate rupees 300. Charge will calculate rupees 300 and print weight equal to W, that is 2 kg, and charge equal to charge, that is rupees 300. Okay. Now next, the second part. Suppose weight of our parcel is 5 kg. So it comes, it falls in the second part, second condition, that up to 3 kg we have to pay rupees 300, and for next 3 kg means our parcel is, this is 3 kg, and for next 3 kg means 4th kg, 5th kg or 6th kg, up to next 3 kg we have to pay rupees 75 per kg. Now weight of our parcel is 5 kg. Okay, so let's check what is happening here. So first of all, if W greater than 3, so value of W is 5. So 5 greater than 3, this condition is true. Then control moves inside this if. First if this condition is true, therefore control moves inside this if. Again one more condition is here. Here is W greater than 6. The value of W is 5. So W greater than 6, this part is false. Then control transfer to its else part here. Then what happens here? 300 plus W minus 3 into 75. 300. This 300 is for first 3 kg. Up to 3 kg we have to pay only 300. So first 3 kg we have to pay 300. And since for 3 kg we have calculated, therefore we will subtract 3 in total weight of the parcel. Therefore W minus 3, that is about 4th kg, 5th kg or 6th kg, rate is rupees 75 per kg. So W minus 3 into 75. So this way we will calculate the charge. Next, suppose weight of our parcel is 15 kg. Weight of our parcel is not 15. Suppose 9 kilogram. Weight of our parcel is 9 kilogram. Okay. Then what happened? Up to 3 kg we have to pay rupees 300. For next 3 kg we have to pay rupees 75 per kg, and for next 4 kilogram we have to pay rupees 60 per kilogram. So this 9 will be divided in 3 parts: 3 kg plus 3 kg and rest of the weight. So this 3 kg we have to pay rupees 300. This 3 kg we have to pay 3 into 75, and rest of the weight, for rest of the weight we have to pay rupees 60 per kg. Okay. So let's check our program will calculate this like or not. Calculate like this or not. So W equal to 9. See, W greater than 3. So 9 is greater than 3. This condition is true. Control move inside this if. W greater than 6. This part is also true. This part is also true. This condition is also true. Therefore, control move inside this if. W greater than 10. See, W of W is 9. 9 greater than 10. This condition is false. Therefore, the control transfer to its else statement. This is the else of this if. So what is happening here? 300. This is for 3 kg. First 3 kg. That is 300. Okay. This is 3 into 75. This is next 3 kg. 3 into 75. And since we have calculated 3 plus 3 6 kg, we have calculated the courier bill for 3 kg and 3 kg 6 kg. Therefore, we will subtract 6 from the total weight of the parcel. 6 from total weight of the parcel, that is W minus 6. And for the rest of the weight, it is 60 rupees per kilogram. See, this way it is calculated. Okay, student, I hope you understand all the things, how the program will calculate clearly the parcel bill for every weight. Okay. Now one more time, let's me explain once again. Suppose this time weight of our parcel is 15 kilogram. So for 15 kilogram, the condition falls above 10 kg. Above 10 kg. So this is divided into like this: 3 kg, again 3 kg, again 4 kg, and rest of the weight. So this 3 kg we have to pay rupees 300. This 3 kg we have to pay 3 into 75, and for this 4 kg we have to pay 4 into 60. The first 3 kg up to 3 kg rupees 300. Rupees 300. See, for first 3 kg rupees 300. For next 3 kg 3 into 75. For next 4 kg 4 into 60. And for the rest of the weight, it is rupees 50 per kg. Okay. Now see the calculation part. Okay. Let's I adjust your video so you can view all the parts. Okay, now I think you can view all the things. So this time weight of our parcel is 15 kilogram. Okay. Now check. W greater than 3, this condition is true, then control move inside this if. W greater than 6, this is also true, then control again move inside this if. W greater than 10, for W equal to 15, this time this condition is also true. Therefore, the weight of parcel is above 10 kg. So this condition is true. This statement will be executed. What happened? 300 for 3 kg. First 3 kg, 300. 3 into 75 for the next 3 kg, that is Next 3 kg, 3 into 75 here. Okay. Next 4 kg is 4 into 60. Here it is. And since we have calculated 3 plus 3 6 plus 4 10, we have calculated the courier charge of 10 kg. Therefore, we will subtract 10 from the total weight of the parcel. W minus 10, and for the rest of the weight it is rupees 50 per kg. So this way we will calculate the charge. Student, I hope you understand the logic, the technique. So you try to solve question number 21. Okay. In the next video I will start a new topic, that is switch case. Okay. Thank you.